Presenting WeDAA, a platform built to accelerate enterprise application development and modernization. WeDAA works as your co-pilot and helps you building and modernizing enterprise-grade applications with well-defined comprehensive architecture. This video will guide you through the process of utilizing WeDAA's developer portal to construct application architecture with WeDAA's Quick Start wizard. Upon visiting the WeDAA homepage, you can access Developers Portal by clicking over the Get Started button located at the top right corner. There are two options for building application architecture with WeDAA: Quick Start and Advance. This video will take you through the WeDAA Quick Start wizard. Quick Start is a simple wizard designed to assist you in building application architecture of various types. Let's build a full-stack application architecture with WeDAA Application Wizard. Select Application option as Full Stack and click Next. We have two options, React and Angular, for building applications. Select React and click on Next. We must select one of the two options for developing the backend of a full-stack application. Let's select Spring as backend of application. Options available for the persistent layer of the application include Postgres and Mongo. Let's select Postgres here. Authentication and authorization is an optional choice here. Keycloak is an optional choice for application identity and access management. Let's select None over here and proceed to Next. Service discovery is also an optional choice here. Let's select None and proceed to Next. Applications built with WeDAA can be configured for log indexing and observability using Elastic Cloud on Kubernetes. Let's select None, proceed to Next. In project composition of simple full-stack application, we can observe that the application type is full-stack. Frontend framework is React. SpringBoot is used to build applications backend. For persistent selected database is PostgreSQL. Clicking the Go to Canvas button directs the wizard to the WeDAA canvas. In this view, we can see the automatically generated visual architecture diagram of a straightforward full-stack application. Assigning a name to the full-stack application is essential, and this field must be completed. Let's name this application simple_fullstack_application. We need to validate the architecture configuration. If configurations for components in WeDAA are not filled correctly, the validation for the application architecture will fail. As the application architecture is generated using the Quick Start wizard, the configuration properties for components are pre-filled. Double-clicking on components allows us to view their properties. Validate the architecture by clicking the Validate button located at the bottom left corner. If the application architecture has no configuration issues, the canvas will lead us to the next page with a successful validation message. In this section, we can review component configurations.
Upon clicking Next and Generate Code, the code for the application will be generated based on the selected options. When you click Generate Code, the corresponding application code will be downloaded to your designated download folder.